Good morning, students. Today we'll solve the exercise problems on the chapter Playing with Numbers. Let us take first question. Find the first three common multiples of A 6 and 8, B 12 and 18. Here you have to find out the first three common multiples. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲ ಮೂರು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗುಣಕಗಳು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತ್ರೀ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ 6 and 8. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ multiples of 6. Here first you have to find out both multiples of 6 and multiples of 8, and then you have to find out the common multiples of 6 and 8. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೊದಲು 6ರ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ 8ರ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗುಣಕಗಳು ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ first you have to take multiple of 6. So multiples of 6 are 6 1 ja 6, therefore 6 is a multiple of 6. Next 6 2 ja 12, 12 is a multiple of 6. So write 12 is a multiple of 6, therefore 12 is a multiple of 6. Next 18, 6 3 ja 18, 18 is a multiple of 6. So write 18. Next 6 4 ja 24, 24 is a multiple of 6. So write 24. Next 6 5 ja 30, 6 6 ja 36, 6 7 ja 42, 6 8 ja 48, 6 9 ja 54, 6 10 ja 60. 60 is a multiple of 6. So write 60 is a multiple of 6. Next 6 12 ja 72. 72 is a multiple of 6. Therefore multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60 and 72. These are all the multiples of 6. Now we have to find out multiple of 8. So 8 is a multiple of 8, because 8 1 ja 8, 8 is a multiple of 8, therefore write 8. Next 16, 16 is a multiple of 8, because 8 2 ja 16, 16 is a multiple of 8, so write 16. Next 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 32 is a multiple of 8, therefore write 32. Next 8 5 ja 40, so write 40. 8 6 ja 48, 48 is a multiple of 8. Next 8 7 ja 56, 56 is a multiple of 8, therefore write 56 as a multiple of 8. Next 8 8 ja 64, 8 9 ja 72, 72 is a multiple of 8. Therefore here the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72. Now we are find out multiple of 6 and also multiple of 8. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮತ್ತು 8ರ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6 and 8. Common multiples of 6 and 8. So common multiples of 6 and 8 are the numbers which are present in both 6 and 8 are the common multiples. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ 8 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುವ ಕಾಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ನಾವೆಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್. ದೇರ್ಫೋರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6 and 8 are, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 24 is the common multiples of 6 and 8, because 24 is present in both the multiples of 6 and also multiples of 8. ಈ 24 ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು 6ರ ಗುಣಕನೂ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ 8ರ ಗುಣಕನೂ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್ 6 and also 8. So therefore 24 is a first multiple of 6 and 8. the number which is present in both multiple of 6 and also multiple of 8 is 24. Therefore it is a common multiple, samanya gunaka. Next 48. The 48 is also present in both multiples of 6 and also multiple of 8. Therefore 48 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. It is the second common multiple of 6 and 8. Next 72. 72 is present in both multiple of 6 and also multiple of 8. Therefore 72 is a common multiple of 6 and 8. 72 is present in multiple of 6 and also multiple of 8. 72 ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು 6ರ ಗುಣಕನೂ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ 8ರ ಗುಣಕ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗುಣಕ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and 72. These are the first 3 common multiples of 24, 48 and 72. In this way, you have to find out the first 3 common multiples of the given numbers. First here you have to find out the multiples of the given numbers, that is 6 and 8. After you have to find out common numbers present in both the multiples, that is 6 and 8. This is the common multiples. ನಾವು ಏನು ಗುಣಕಗಳು 6 ಮತ್ತು 8ರ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಅವೆರಡು ಗುಣಕಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಕಾಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗುಣಕಗಳು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 6 and 8 are 24, 48 and 72. Dear students, let us take second problem B, that is 12 and 18. You have to find the first 3 common multiples of 12 and 18. So first here you have to find out multiple of 12 and then multiple of 18. Then you have to find out common multiples of both the numbers, that is 12 and 18. So first you have to find out multiple of 12. So multiples of 12 are 12 1 ja 12. Therefore 12 is a multiple of 12. Then 12 2 ja 24. 24 is a multiple of 12. Therefore 24 you have to write 24 is a multiple of 12. Next 12 3 ja 36. So 36 is a multiple of 12. Therefore write 36. Next 12 4 ja 48. 48 is a multiple of 12. Therefore write 48. Next 12 5 ja 60. 60 is a multiple of 12. Therefore write 60. Next 12 6 ja 72. 72 is a multiple of 12. Therefore write 72 as a multiple of 12. Therefore write 72. Next 12 7 ja 84. 84 is a multiple of 12. Therefore write 84. Next 12 8 ja 96. Next 12 9 ja 108. Next 12 10 ja 120. 120 is a multiple of 12. Therefore multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. These are all the multiples of 12. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiples of 12ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದೀವಿ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದರೆ 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. Similarly, you have to find out multiples of 18. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ multiples of 18 ಕೂಡ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. So the multiples of 18 are 18 1 ja 18. Therefore 18 is a multiple of 18. Therefore write 18. Next 18 2 ja 36. 36 is a multiple of 18. Therefore, write 36. Next, 18 3 is 54. 18 3 is 54. Therefore, write 54 is a multiple of 18. Therefore, write 54. Next, 18 4 is 72. Therefore, 72 is a multiple of 18. Next, 18 5 is 90. 90 is a multiple of 18. Therefore, write 90 is a multiple of 18. Next, 18 6 is 108. 108 is a multiple of 18. Therefore, the multiples of 18 are 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 and 108. These are all the multiples of 18. Now we are find out multiple of 12 and also multiple of 18. ನಾವು 12 ಮತ್ತು 18ರ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗುಣಕಗಳು. ಸೊ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 12 and 18. So common multiples of 12 and 18 are the numbers which are present in both the multiples of 12 and 18 are the common multiples. Therefore, write so common multiples present in both multiples of 12 and also multiples of 18 are 36. 36 is present in both multiple of 12 and also multiple of 18. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 36 ಏನಿದೆ ನಂಬರು ಬೋತ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 12 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 18 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗುಣಕ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್. therefore 36 is a common multiple. next 72. 72 ಇದು 12 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 18 ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಗುಣಕ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 72 is a common multiples of both 12 and 18. next one 108. 108 is present in both the multiples of 12 and also multiples of 18. therefore 108 is also a common multiple of 12 and 18. therefore write 108. here common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72, 108. therefore common multiples of 12 and 18 are 36, 72 and 108. therefore 36, 72 and 108 are the common multiples. in this way you have to find out the common multiples. so first you have to find out the multiples of the given numbers. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್. ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಗುಣಕಗಳನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿವೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿರುವ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು common multiples of the given number. in this way you have to find out the common multiples of the given number. take next question, that is write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. here you have to write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. so first you have to write the greatest 4-digit number. so the greatest 4-digit number is how much? the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. the 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. so write the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. here you have to express it in terms of its prime factors. So you have to express it in terms of its prime factors. Here you have find out the greatest 4-digit number is 9999. You have to express it in terms of its prime factors. So look at this picture. So 9999. ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 9999. The prime factors are, you have to divide it by 3. So 3 into 3333. So divide 9999 with 3. Will get 3 into 3333. 3333. If you multiply 3333 into 3, again you will get 9999. So here 9999 is, you have to write it as 3 into 3333. So here look at this picture. 3 again can be written as 1 into 3. 1 3 ja 3. So 1 3 ja 3. Then 3333. 3333 can be written as 3 into 1111. 3 into 1111. If you multiply 3 into 1111, you will get again 3333. So then 1111 can be written as 101 into 11. 101 into 11. So 101 into 11. If you multiply 101 into 11, again you will get 1111. 1111. Therefore the prime factors of 9999 are here 3 into 3 and 11 into 101. So you have to find at the base of the given problem. So that is 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. These are in the form of prime factors. Therefore the prime factors of 9999 are 3 into 3 into 11 into 101. If you multiply these 3 into 3 into 11 into 101, again you will get 9999, which is the greatest 4-digit number. In this way you have to find out the greatest 4-digit number 9999 in terms of its prime factors. Take next question. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. So the smallest 5-digit number is how much? The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So right, the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So you have to express it in terms of its prime factors. So 10,000, look at this picture. 10,000 can be written as 2 into 5,000. So 2 into 5,000. If you multiply 2 into 5,000, again it becomes 10,000. Therefore 2 into 5,000. Again 5,000 can be written as 2 into 2,500. 2 into 2,500. Therefore write 2 into 2,500. If you multiply 2 into 2,500, you will get again 5,000. Next 2,500 can be written as 25 into 100. 25 into 100. Therefore 25 into 100 is equal to how much? 2,500. Look at this picture. Then 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 5 5 ja, how much? 5 5 ja 25. Therefore 5 5 ja 25. Therefore 5 into 5. Then 100 can be written as 10 10 ja 100. Therefore write 10 into 10 is how much? 100. Therefore 10 10 ja 100. Next 10 can be written as 5 2 ja 10. Therefore 5 into 2 is equal to how much? 10. Therefore 5 2 ja 10. Here also 5 2 ja 10. Therefore 5 2 ja 10. Therefore the 5 factors of 10,000 are, you have to find at the bases of the given figure, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and then 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. These are all the 5 factors. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 18 2 ja 16, 65 ja 80, 85 ja 400, 405 ja 2000, 2005 ja 10,000. So if you multiply these 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, again you will get 10,000. Therefore the prime factors of 10,000 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. In this way you have to find out the smallest 5-digit number and you have to express in terms of its prime factors. Dear students, let us take homework for today. First one, write the greatest 3-digit number and express it in terms of prime factors. Here you have to write the greatest 3-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. That's all for today. Thank you.